This 5-minute solution will show you how to create a Xbox account. Follow these easy instructions to create your Xbox account. First of all, open xbox.com, and once you are here, click on create a free account. Now enter here a username for your account and click on next. Create a strong password for your Xbox account. Click on next. Enter here your first and last name. Select your country and select your birth information here. Now you have to solve the puzzle. To continue, create an Xbox profile. Check these two boxes and click on I accept. And that's it. As you can see, I've successfully created an account on Xbox. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe How to Earn Minute. See you in the next video.